The next method is decision making under uncertainty. Uncertainty, in the sense, you will be having types called maximum or max or Hurwitz criterion, Laplace criterion, regret criterions are there. Using this criterion, we can come to a conclusion. If we face any uncertainty in the organization, what is your decision towards the production? Okay, towards the product in a production or a profit in a production. So for this, the formula will be, or you will have a too many of problems or too many of formulas for this payoff term. Kindly make down the question. Consider the following payoff. Consider the following payoff in terms of yearly, in terms of yearly net profit for each decision, net profit of each decision, alternatives, alternatives. Under that, kindly draw this table. Under this, kindly draw this table. Demand D1, D2, D3, N1, N2, N3. Okay? Draw this table. Under this, which decision is to choose in? Which decision is to choose in on the basis of, on the basis of, on the basis of number one, maximum criterion. Maximum criterion. Number one, maximum criterion. Number two, max criterion. Then number three, regret criterion. Number four, Laplace criterion. These all comes under uncertainty decision making. Okay. So from this, what you have to do is, that's it. Okay, you are going to calculate the solution right now. So the maximum criterion, okay, the maximum criterion in the sense, first you have to find out the minimum value. From the minimum value, you have to take the maximum value. Listen carefully. First, you have to find out the minimum value. Second, from the minimum, you have to take the maximum value. This is called maximum criterion. And the second is the same. First, you have to find out the maximum value. Next, you have to find out the maximum value out of the maximum. Okay, let's see one by one here. Okay, first step, maximum criterion. As I told you first, what are the things you have to find out? The minimum value of each rows, not a number. Each demand only the problem, since it comes from the decision theory, we supposed to know about the demands. So here, the D1 ka least value. What is the least value? The minimum value in a row, 150. And here the minimum value is 200. And here the minimum value is 100. Okay. Now, from the minimum, you have to take the maximum. What is the maximum value from these three? What is the maximum value? 200. Exact. Right. That is your first one answer. How you will be writing? The company can choose in the decision 2, right? On basis of maximum criteria. If I follow D2 methodology, then I will get a profit according to maximum criterion. Okay. Then max criterion. What is it max into? From the row, you have to find out the maximum. What is the maximum value here? 350. Don't consider the value, the minimum, okay? Just take only N1, N2, N3 alone. Okay, so here the maximum is 450 and here the maximum is 290. Out of this maximum, you have to find out the maximum again. What is the maximum value here? 450. So that is your second one value. How you will be writing this one? The company can choose the decision 2, D2, on the basis of max criterion. Okay, now the regret. Regret method is somewhat like you have to find out with the help of n. Okay, so regret ka value like this. Regret, how it comes? Number one, from the column, just take the column. Okay, just take the column. Column le maximum value. What is the maximum value in the column? 450. Now, what you have to do is you have to minus with these two. Take the maximum value and minus with all the, what is it, all the cells of a column. For example, wait, I just write, then only you can come to a conclusion. So maximum is 450 from this, right? So minus of these. 450 minus 150 is 300. 450 minus 450, 0. 100 minus 450, 350. Don't take any symbols and all, okay? Just take the value alone. Okay? 350. Next, this second column. Second column maximum value is 250. 250 minus 250 is 0. 250 minus 250 is 0. 180 minus 250 is 70. Right. Then here the maximum value is 350. 350 minus 350 is 0. 200 minus 350 is 150. 290 minus 350 is 60. Okay? Got it? Now, you supposed to know the maximum losses, which means the least value in a row. Okay, next step now. So, your next step. First step column, second one row least value. Okay, row least value. What is the least value here? 0. Got it. But here, what they said is the opportunity loss table, you have to find out the least as well as the highest value. Least and highest value. If I'm going to take the least value, 0, 0 only comes, right? So what I'm going to take is I'm going to take the highest value in each rows. Which is the highest value? 300, 150, 350. Okay. So from this, you are going to take the least. From the highest, take the least value. What is the least value? 150. That is your least value. So what will be your result? Maximum of maximized loss. That is like the regret criterion. Regret criterion, the value will be 150. Hence the company can take the decision 2. Got it? Because the 150 lies between the D2 value. This is regret. Now, Laplace criterion. Laplace criterion is totally different. Okay. What you have to find is you have to find out the average of each rows. Okay. For example, 150, 250, 350, 450, 250, 200, 100, 180, 290. Now you have to find out the average. How you will be finding the average? First you have to add this one. The total. Total. What is the total here? 150 plus 250 plus 350 divided by 3. That is your first one. Divided by 3. And second one, 450 plus 250 plus 200 divided by 3. Then 100 plus 180 plus 290 divided by 3. So probably your result will be 250, then 300, then 190. From this, the maximum value is supposed to be taken a Laplace. So using Laplace criterion, the profit maximize choose D2, right? So D2 can be chosen. That's it. So again, I am just repeating the same thing. Maximum criteria, which means from the table, you have to find out the minimum value. From the minimum, you have to find out the maximum. That's it. The maximum value lies between the D2, so D2 is the best option. Next, maximax criterion. So from the table, maximum, and from the maximum, you have to calculate the maximum value. So the answer is 450, which lies between D2. So D2 is the best choice. The next one, regret criterion, in the sense, take a column ka maximum value. Column ka maximum value and minus with each cells in the column, particular column. So 150 minus 450, 450 minus 450, 450 minus 100. So the value is supposed to be right in a column. And the second column, 250 is the maximum. So 250 minus 250. Likewise, after this, you have to find out the maximum value in each rows. Maximum value in each rows. After this, from the maximum, find the minimum value. Okay, from the maximum, find the minimum value. The minimum value is 150, which lies between D2. So D2 is the best choice to choose. Then Laplace criterion. Laplace talks about average. To find out the average is called as Laplace. So the same table can be drawn and calculate the average. The 3 should be added divided by 3. All the 3 divided by 3. All the 3 divided by 3, you will have a value that is called average. From the average, the maximum value lies between D2. So I can go over D2. What is the solution here? D2 is the right choice. Wherever we substituted, D2 is the right choice to choose in order to make your decision is a perfect one. Thank you.